All right, good morning, guys and girls. We'll see what happens here. I want to see if we're going to sweep this 15-minute high and continue lower. I'm overall bearish right now. We do have FOMC, but I want to see if we can take out this 4-hour low and these draws below on ES. And it's possible to take out London here and this 4-hour low. We have this 4-hour low possible to take out down here on NASDAQ, right? So we'll find out. We'll find out. We broke structure back to downside in the hourly time frame. ES, we're still bearish. NASDAQ, we're still bearish in the 4-hour. ES, we're not. But again, I want to see, because if we go to the 4-hour time frame on ES over here, which we currently are, take out the fib from this most recent swing high to this most recent swing low down here. And as you can see, we're still respecting our levels. We were talking about this yesterday, but it didn't play out. We came up into OTE, respected off of it. It looked like we were going to continue lower, and then we continued higher. So let's see what happens. We came up and swept out this high yesterday. We'll see what we get. We'll see what we get. I want to see if we're going to form an SMT off this 15-minute high right now and continue lower. And it looks like we might. But we do have FOMC today, so let's keep that in mind. I usually don't trade FOMC days. But if we see an opportunity, we'll take it. And it did. That sucks. See what happens. 5-minute SMT. Looks like it's going to form off of it. Sorry I'm muted, guys. I'm chewing an apple. I was really hungry and I was getting like nauseous because I need to eat. But yeah, I'm staying patient today. Today's FOMC day. I don't enter off market open. I was talking to somebody in my Discord about that because again, we came up to this 15-minute high. We swept it out on NQ, but not on ES. We formed a 1-minute SNT off of it. Came down, took out that London session low, right? But again, now we look like we want to continue higher. But right now, I just want to stay patient. We have FOMC. We could just consolidate in a range. We could consolidate within a range. So we could literally consolidate within this range if we want on NQ and do nothing. But my main focus today is going to be hard cutoff at 10 o'clock or 10:30. If we don't get anything by 10:30, I won't trade. Okay, because again, we do have FOMC at 2 o'clock today. From my experience, I feel like New York AM session doesn't move too cleanly. There's a lot of fake outs. There's a lot of stop raids. It's just based off of my experience and my data. I tend to stay away from these days. If I see a setup, I'll most likely take it. But again, like I explained in the daily buys, if you guys go and watch that in the premium section of Discord, I like to stay away on days like today. But if we see a good setup and my intuition's telling me, hey, Travis, this looks good, let's target it, I'll take it. I'll trust myself. So, well, yeah. ES came down and shut that London session lows, which is all the way down here, so. Really high, we got this really high, we came down, broke structure, blah blah blah, this and that. Look at that candle. Wonder what this would look like. Maybe a 12-point stop, break even, final TP. It's a little bit of a stretcher there, especially after coming down and taking out London session low. We're still bullish on the 5-minute time frame on NASDAQ. We're coming into this 5-minute order block. See if we dump. See if we dump here. Definitely a possibility, but see if we can consolidate in a range zone, fake people out. This could have been an entry here off of this inverse break structure to the downside. But again, I'd want my stop loss to be at this high in a day like today, so I'm not going to take that because we did sweep out London session low, and I feel like NASDAQ showing me wants to continue higher at the moment. ES, we broke structure to the upside, and we still never broke structure to the downside. Now we'd have to break down here. So again, I need to be bearish on that 5-minute time frame first. I'm not going to take anything within this range. We didn't form it on NASDAQ. We didn't form that new 15-minute high on NASDAQ, so I believe NASDAQ continue higher. We'll see. We still haven't broken the 5 yet. We've already swept out that 15-minute high on NASDAQ. I would expect a reaction off of it. This is that 15-minute high right there. That's funny. I want to see if we break structure to the downside in the 5-minute time frame. See how this candle closes. Broke structure in the 5-minute time frame on NQ. See the macro time frame here. See if we dump. Excuse me. See if we want to deliver here. And that ES is sweeping out a 4-hour low. See if we can get something here. Yeah, we might not get in on this. I don't want to chase this. Motherfucker. Motherfucker. Alright, well, break even's hitting. This isn't worth it here. Damn. Just reward ain't even worth it. Broke structure on the 5-minute time frame on ES also. I'm expecting us to continue lower here, but risk to reward ain't worth it for me right now. It ain't worth it for me. Missed out. It ain't worth it for me. I don't think I'm gonna get in on this today. Bias was right, but again, she wants to leave without me. She wanted to leave without me. Another day. got possibilities here. Still got possibilities here. Waiting to see if we can sweep this 1 minute high, form an S&T off it, continue lower. S&T form. I didn't enter this yet, I'm just FYI. 1 minute S&T wasn't enough for me. Now we invalidated it too. So I would have been stopped out. Let's see if that was a stop raid before we continue lower. 1 minute S&T wasn't enough for me because we also broke structure back to the upside on NQ. If NQ was still bearish, I probably would have taken it. Excuse me. But again, we're still sweeping at a 4-hour low over here on ES. I'm still focusing on this. We still haven't broke structure. I want to see if this was a stop raid. See if it was a stop raid. Still haven't broke structure. We can dump. Let's see. I want to see NQ break back to the downside. That's what I'm waiting for right now. Waiting for right now. Thank you. Didn't break back to the downside. It didn't break down yet. Broke. It's been an 84-point stop. We're about to form this 5-minute high too. Can we be protected on that 5-minute high? Still a 141-point trade. See, I just feel like we would have flushed through already. Oh, I want to take this. Can even put stop above this. 66 points. Probably, I'm just gonna fade it. We formed that 5-minute high. This is either a protected high or not, or we're gonna come up and resweep it. That's what I want to see. It looks like we're gonna come up, not come up and resweep it though. The way on ES is looking, ES would have been break even right now. It's either we're gonna flush through straight to take profit if we would have taken it, or we're gonna come up and resweep this one more time. It looks like we're gonna dump. It looks like we're gonna dump. This would have been break-even trade. We were thinking about taking it here, and stop would have been above this high. We would have been break-even right now. But let's see if we get follow through here, or if we form an SMT off this low. I believe we're gonna get follow through. Looks like we're gonna get follow through. We didn't form that SMT. We know we swept London low. We know we swept this 4-hour low. It's 10-11. Intuition's telling me to fade this, so we'll see what happens. Hesitated on entry twice. Just not wanting to force something. ES already took out this low also. I don't want to enter when we take out a low like this. Form a 5-minute high. We could come up, retrace one more time. Bop, bop, bang. It's possible. Or it could be a protected high, which is a possibility too. Yeah, it's dumping. Damn. Oh, that'll piss you off. Another day of hesitation. Another day of hesitation. Another day of hesitation. Damn! Hesitated again. Hate when I do that shit. Damn. Wow. Hesitation. Hesitation. This is what people don't show. But fucking A. Hesitation. Sitting there like a little baby back bitch. That's what I'm doing. Missed out on a dub. Come on, Trav. What are we doing? Why are we not executing on your setup? Why are we not executing? Even this. Even this. You're scared of a 5-minute high? You're scared of a 5-minute high. Vagina for breakfast. That's what I got in my pants right now. A vag. A vag. Excuse my French. But that's fucking annoying, dude. Damn, why did I not execute on that one? I gotta go back and review this session again. I think I was too scared to lose on today, because I usually don't trade today. I literally said it in the Discord too. Hesitated again today, Avery. Hesitated again. What are we doing, honey? Right off equilibrium with this range too, and I'm fucking hesitating on that. I don't even know. Honey, can this wait till after I'm done? Thank you. Not the time, not the time. Trying to focus. People doing stuff in the background. So all those people telling us about those lows yesterday too are saying, why the hell would you take a short? You get taken today. Right target, just wrong time. So everybody knows everything now. That's some shit, dog. I hate when I hesitate like that. That makes me pissed off. But it's like this is what people don't explain. It's like you'd be happy if you would have prevented the loss, but then you're not happy because you missed out on a trade that would have played out perfectly. It's a mind banger. The reason why I hesitated on that trade is because I never trade these days, dude. Let's go to what's last FOMC. Yeah, it didn't trade on this day. FOMC minutes. I never trade on these days, dude. Never do. Just based off my data. And I came out with the mindset today not trading. Oh my god, I'm just gonna keep dumping, dog. This is some gay shit. God. Hesitation. It's a crazy thing. It's a crazy thing. So we've taken out an external draw right now. We could continue lower and take out all these lows, but again, I'd rather it would have been on the trade already. I don't want to take a short here now all of a sudden. You know what I'm saying? But damn, dog, I missed out. I hate missing out like that. That pisses me off. I'm gonna be totally honest, but again, I cannot let it piss me off. I can't believe I hesitated on that. I was waiting for that 1 minute break, and I even said it. I want NASDAQ to break structure. Bang. Could have entered there. 85 points. Break even at this low. Shoop. 139 point trade. Crazy. Sorry I'm being quiet. I'm talking to somebody in my Discord, but I don't know. You guys can see I get a little aggravated sometimes still, but it's trading. It'll do that to you. And I stay away when I do that. Like, again, I could have tried to take shorts again, which I would have done a couple, maybe like a year ago and stuff, and you try because you miss out on the opportunity and you try and take shorts. But our draws got taken. We do have more draws below. Our draws got taken. We're coming into another 5-minute gap right now. We could sweep a 5-minute high, but we have FOMC later. I don't usually trade these days, and I come into these days not trading, but I want to show you something. The reason why I got a little aggravated, I'm going to put the Discord up. So I put the general chat right over here. All right, I want to show you something. So again, I wanted to predict today if a move was going to occur, it was going to happen between 9:50 and 9:50 and 10:10. And I literally said it here. Yes, sir. What I've noticed again is this is just on these days, like this price either presents a setup between 9:50 a.m. Eastern Time and 10:10, and it moves quickly to the draw it wants to target, then starts to slow down. Literally going to forward this. Literally gonna forward that. That's literally what I wanted to see happen. I literally marked out that trade that you guys saw me in the live session, and I hesitated on it because I don't trade on these days. I don't trade on FOMC days usually, and that's based off my data. And that's why I hesitated, in my opinion. And then you see hindsight, and then it plays out. You could have made money. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. We didn't lose money. We didn't lose money, but we were focusing on NASDAQ, and I said it. I was like, I want to see a break of structure on NASDAQ, but then we formed that 5-minute high, and I was scared of this 5-minute high. 85-point stop, break even. First TP was around here somewhere, this 4-hour. Again, even on ES, it's like it was a perfect retrace into a 5-minute gap, dude. It was perfect. Retrace, boom, and it dumped. Even on NK, I even said, let's see if this is a sweep. We prevented this loss on this trade. Let's see if it's a blanking out stop rate. Break back to the downside. I was looking at this entry, stop above this high. Target these draws down below. Ended up hit. No drawdown. Waited for that retrace higher one more time too. I wanted to see if we could just fucking come back up and bang, bang. Maybe I would have entered, but no, I didn't. That 1-minute S&T wasn't enough. We came up back. Well, I said I was going to cut it at 10:30. I'm going to cut it at 10:30. I'm just explaining to the Discord guys that I'm gonna cut it because I said I was gonna cut it at 10:30. You guys heard me in the video. As much as I want to take a trade after missing out on that, dude. Listen, I said I was gonna have a hard cap at 10:30. We took out our draws and liquidity. Price ended up literally doing exactly what I said it was gonna do. In the daily bias. And again, if you're in the premium Discord, you know, you see it. So I think it's stupid of me to target a short, a continuation off of this, and target these draws down below, which again could definitely get hit. I could see this weekly low coming down and getting hit on NASDAQ, but we have FOMC later. Draws are already taken for the day. We're taking out an external draw right here. We could continue lower. If we do, we do. But it's gone without me. I should have entered somewhere around here. We had another opportunity to enter on the pullback. We had another opportunity. But I freaking hesitated on it. I thought we were going to maybe come up, resweep this high. We didn't. We continued lower. And we're just continuing. Missed opportunity. Pisses me off a little bit, part of it. But we're going to refocus ourselves and go from there and stick to what we said we were going to do. Hesitated on my entry. You guys see it. I show it. Transparent. Pissed me off a little bit. We got to work on it. Learning lesson. Sometimes I just got to trust myself and execute and not be scared of losing. But I think I was scared of losing today because it is FOMC. And if I would have lost today, I would have thought, hey, you never trade these days. Why are you trading it? Even though a setup was there. You know, so today's one of those instances where price runs without me. Are you going to be okay with it or not? Am I going to cry like a little girl? For a second, I guess I am. But again, we're going to gather our thoughts here and do the right thing and cut the session and not trade, because I know, and I just sent this into the Discord, if I take a loss now after saying I was going to cut the session at 10:30, saying I was going to cut the session if our draws get taken out, and then I take a loss, I'll be more upset because I could prevent the loss. So we did prevent one loss, which, as you guys saw, we were waiting for that S&T to form. It ended up coming up, re-sweeping this high, and then it dumped lower. But again, we literally said it. I was like, let's see if this is a stop rate. Because again, people probably had their stops above this high. Stop rated. Stop could have been above this high after this candle. And target our draws below. You know? But again, I don't trade FOMC days, and I really truly believe that's why I hesitated. I'm going to journal today and go from there. We got clean price action to the downside. Everything was respected. Bear market structure was respected. And you see we're still respecting it now. It's just literally continuing to make lower highs and lower lows. It's just, again, of course, on a day like today. But not going to blame the market. I'm at blame there. I didn't pull the trigger on it. That's pretty much it. We're going to show the process, show the truth of this. That's all we could do. That's all we could do. I'm still growing. I'm still learning. That's all I could really say. And we're going to get that process on social media for you guys to see. But I hesitated like a little girl today. I was scared to lose. And again, I'll be honest with that. Because again, I know if I would have taken that trade and it ended up coming back up, re-sweeping that high, I probably would have been upset and told myself, Travis, why are you trading on FOMC days? But today was literally textbook. It was like, I can't believe you know what I'm saying? Yeah. It is what it is. All right, I'm going to cut the session. We'll get this posted up and then go from there. Peace out, guys.